Trumpet air layering method gives faster rooting and stronger plants than cuttings. This method is simple and has a very high success rate even for beginners. Let us start. Step 1. Choose the right stem. Select a healthy semi-hard stem that is not too young and not too woody. Avoid very young green stems or thick old woody branches. Branches grown previous year are good to select. The branch should be pencil thick, with healthy leaves and actively growing. Remove the leaves in that section. Step 2. Remove the bark. Using a knife, scrape and remove the outer bark and the green cambium layer along 1-inch length. This stops flow of hormones, bathes this and forces the plant to produce roots. Alternatively, just fold the stem near the end at the joint to expose the inside of the stem. Ensure that the stem is still attached to the plant. Step 3. Add rooting medium. Take moist sphagnum moss, potting mix or compost in a bag and wrap it around the exposed section. I take the moist soil in this ball and cover the section. Use twist ties, seal both ends tightly so the moss cannot dry out. Hide it under leaves to prevent direct sun. Step 4. Aftercare. Wait for roots. Check every 4 to 5 days and water the soil if it is getting dry. The soil should stay moist. After a few weeks, roots will begin forming inside the plastic wrap. You can check through the transparent cover for white healthy roots. Step 5. Cut and plant. Once you see roots, cut the branch just below the rooted section. Carefully remove it without disturbing the roots, and plant it into a pot with well-draining soil. Keep the new plant in bright shade for a few days and water regularly. Soon your new orange trumpet vine will start growing strongly. Extra tips for success. Best time for air layering is spring to early summer. Avoid very young green stems or thick old woody branches. Avoid very thin or weak stems. Keep the moss, soil moist at all times. Use rooting hormone for even faster results if available. That is how easy it is to propagate orange trumpet vine by air layering. Try this method and you can create many flowering vines for your garden completely free. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Next, watch how to grow trumpet vine from cuttings. Thanks for watching.